Let's spend a couple minutes talking about the bridging and the advanced personal training course through PTA Global. Both of these courses, just like the personal training certification course, are online courses that come in the form of interactive video, PowerPoint, and downloadable texts. Now let's talk specifically about the bridging course. The bridging course is designed specifically for the currently certified personal trainer. So that's the personal trainer who holds a certification from one of the affiliated bodies such as ACSM, ACE, NSCA, NASM, or one of the other ones that are out there. The purpose of the bridging course is to bridge you from that current certification into advanced forms of education, such as the advanced personal training course through PTA Global and or other tracks of advanced education throughout the industry as well. What the bridging course consists of is 20 hours extracted from the personal training certification course from PTA Global. So we've taken 20 hours out of our certification course and put it into a course called the bridging course because these are the educational components or modules that are most unique to PTA Global. And these educational modules have the latest and most current, up-to-date, most innovative information in these particular topic areas. Topic areas for the bridging course include functional anatomy, and we look at the functional anatomy relative to the myofascial lines, not just individual muscles. So we're really getting into how the body works as a unit, not just in its segmented components. We talk about behavior and communication, and this is a huge one because this is an area that we feel has been missed in the industry over the last decade especially. So in the behavior and communication with the bridging course, we specifically look at behavioral change and motivational interviewing. How we can create change in somebody, which is part of what we do as a trainer, right? And how we can get the right questions to get them to the answers that they want, to help them become aware of where it is they need to go and how they need to get there with our help. This is extremely important, both of these two factors in these modules, because it leads right into our program design. Now, our program design strategies through PTA Global are somewhat unique, especially for the certification of the bridging course. Because what we've done is we've looked at how to really classify a client based upon their behavior, based upon who they are, not what we think they should have or what we think they need, but based upon what they're telling us they want and what they're comfortable with. So we've developed a behavioral questionnaire, which is essentially an 8 to 10 minute questionnaire that lets us know who the client is, what their goal is, why it's important to them, what level of ability they're at, and what's their style preference of training. I mean, what do they really enjoy training like? How do they want to be trained? What types of equipment do they want to use? What types of exercise they want to use? And we ask very specific questions that just let us know where they're comfortable and what makes them feel more safe and comfortable, which is going to lead to compliance in this particular stage of their life. So this sets up their long-term process. And so we have these pre-made programs, over 840 pre-made programs that are fed from, and how you select them is based upon this behavior questionnaire. And it leads you in a really 3-step click, 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 and you get the program based upon what they're telling you they want. Really cool. We also discuss special populations, and more specific in the bridging course, we look at the youth population, the older adult, because those are the two most expansive and growing populations within our industry right now. So we have some fantastic information on that. And then we also have liability issues. And this is extremely important because most organizations do not talk anything about liability, and what they do talk about is very minimal. So we have a very comprehensive liability because when we put on our shirt and we wear our badge and we go onto the floor, we go into our environment as a trainer, by law, we have very specific obligations and duties that we must be aware of, and so this is going to be very important for us as trainers. So that's the bridging course. The bridging course is specifically for the certified personal trainer who's currently certified. Its purpose is to bridge you from that certification into advanced forms of education, but if it's just a standalone course, it will still give you the most current and up-to-date information. So it takes what you've already learned and expands it and makes it really, really powerful for you. And it shows you how this information is so important.